Hey, this is Scott Leroy of Scott Leroy Marketing coming in for another weekly update. And today's update is how you now have Google Gemini Advanced available under your KW.com email. So on here, normally you'd have to pay for this, very similar with your KW.com email, how you have the Google Workspace account instead of just a normal Gmail account. You're now going to have access to a paid version of Gemini. So all you have to do is go to gemini.google.com. And if you're used to using something like ChatGPT, for instance, or other AI platforms like that, very similar on here if you haven't used it before. So once you click sign in, just put inside your KW.com email and then put inside your password on here, and that's going to give you access to everything immediately. All right, so once you hop on here and sign in, now you are all good to go. Now it may ask you to go in, if you have it set up like I do, where you've got verification, you'll need to go through and adjust this and then access it immediately. So I'm going to do this real quick, and then you're going to see Gemini right away. And there you go. All right, and that's also another idea that if you don't have two-step verification set up, I would highly suggest it. All right, so now you can use Gemini Advanced on here. So if we go over on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see all your different chats that you're utilizing, anything that you may have done previously to re-access that. But now you can start to enter prompts on here. You can click this plus option to add inside files. You can talk to Gemini directly through the microphone. There's a plethora of items that you're going to be able to do, and we'll come out with videos on that as well. But this is how simple it is to access that from your desktop, laptop, on your mobile device, tablets, anything of that sort. There you go. All right, so that is your new tech tip for the day.